This Kape Alasas is located dito sa 3rd floor ng Grill 1968 building. And papanik niyan tayo, guys. Oh. Really? Excited, excited.
Si Pao, yung youngest ko.
Hello, Pao. Hello.
Frana, yung second. Hello.
You are?
Frana po.
Frana. Fist bump.
Hello.
Congrats, congrats.
Thank you.
Right, so once again guys, this is the place. I really like it here. It's al fresco. You get the view of the stars. Somewhat tahimik, no? Hindi to yung parang main road na sobrang maingay. Pakita natin yung mga seats. Dessert of the week, brownie with ice cream, waffle. Okay, plain ice cream, waffle din. Okay. And then taro latte. Nalaring ka niya, sir, quesadillas?
Opo. Pepperoni po.
Alright.
Chunky chicken sandwich. Alright. Grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese, sir? They just keep on coming, guys. Parami ng parami.
Taro.
Taro.
Dark chocolate. Caramel waffle po. Tsaka chocolate waffle.
Dessert?
Brownies.
Where's the dessert?
Dessert.
Alright, so ayun nga, the table is complete.
Ito yung place na talagang feel mo yung simoy ng panahon.
Yes, yes. And aside from that, of course, they also serve mga food. May mga food po sila dito that are
Comfort food.
Comfort food actually. So, they have sandwiches.
Meron tayong pasta. Meron tayong chicken, quesadilla, mga desserts, and
potato wedges.
wedges.
Ayan. And at the same time, meron tayong mga refreshment. Pampalamig ng nararamdaman. So, this is their Alasas special. Ooh, wow, I like it. It's creamy and bitter. Sobrang lakas ng coffee. Para sa akin, guys. Para sa akin. Sarap na quesadilla nila. Even yung wrap, yung dough, it's actually it's not dry. Yan. Good job.
Alright, so ito yung kanilang...
Oh, what is that? Pakita mo yung
chunky chicken sandwich. Brownies waffle with ice cream.
With ice cream.
Oh,
I can see you're enjoying, bro.
actually, napakasarap. Kape Alasas is open from 5 p.m. until 11 p.m. Thursday to Sunday only.
What a great place. What a great place. Another chill place for you to check out dito po sa may Magalang, Pampanga. If you like the food you saw in this video, if you like the place you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and we hope to see you here. Congratulations, Kape Alasas.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Peace out.